In today's episode, we are going to take you along with us to a cute little gym that we found. So the way we found this is I went over to the RV park in the fitness center and was going to work out. So I decided while I was there to ask them in the office some unusual places that you would normally want to come to Grand Haven, Michigan for. And they told me about this place. So it's a really good day trip. So we're going to take you along with us. It's not what we went to Grand Haven to do because we went to go look at lighthouses. And that's in our next episode, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But today we are going to Rosy Mound Natural Area and we're taking you along. So let's go. Rosy Mound. I found out about it when I went into the office and I went to work out at their fitness center. So I talked to the people in there working and they suggested several places for us to check out in the area. And this is one I had never heard of, so we're going to go check it out today. Go on a hike, and I believe it goes into Lake Michigan. So we're going to see how that is. It's a beautiful day out today. So this is a very nice shady walk, and this part is called the Back Dune Forest. think we're almost there. Maybe. It's an overlook. This is the Dune view. And there is Lake Michigan. I was wrong. We weren't almost there. We've got more steps to go. Barry loves the steps. Down here onto the sand, but I'm going to show you how you have to get down there. So if you have a hard time walking down a steep hill in the sand, you may not want to. So this is the sand dune you have to go down to get down to the water. The guy in the office at the RV park told me that usually there's about 100 feet of beach. But this year, there's been a ton of erosion. It happens about every 30 years, so there's not a whole lot of beach right now. It's very little, actually. This is nothing like the last place we were at. The Dune. It was super steep.
that. It's over top of the dunes, so you have to stay off the dunes so they will do what they're supposed to do. Right now we are going on the White Pine Loop. It's taking us out to a dune outlook. So we're going to see what that one looks like. Dune view. Rosy Mound natural area with us today, and we hope you will be able to get to Grand Haven, Michigan and check it out for yourself in person, because it just doesn't do it justice. So we want to thank you so much for subscribing. If you have not, please subscribe. Help us get higher on our goal to hit 1,000 subscribers, which you're close. And click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any episode. Next week we will be having Grand Haven lighthouses. So that was super fun to go do, and we hope you'll enjoy that. We thank you all. So click that like button if you like it. I have one quick question for you though before we go. How many videos a week would you like us to put out? What would you like to see? So put that down into the comments, and also I will link the Rosy Mound natural area down in the description if you want to check out more information about it. And we'll see you next time.